Guys, welcome back to another video. So right now it's kind of sad times. This is happening. It was just a small little leak right there, but now it's coming from the light.
Papa,
That's
our ceiling is leaking. Our ceiling. Look right here. It's leaking. I wanted to see if you.
Alright guys, just in case any of you have an idea, I'm gonna take you up to the attic. So me and Nate live streams just checked it out up there. But basically, it looks all fine right here, right? Look at this. It's filled to the brim. If you guys know how to stop this, we might need some help. Look at this. That's the edge. That's the water. You think that's good? No, it's not. But then there's a He-Man box up here. We got a technician coming over here. We think it's a busted pipe. Don't know. Sorry, I haven't uploaded any IRL videos lately. Well, not the chance I might even clean up here. Okay. Is that water right there? Okay.
Zach, turn that outside light on.
Which one?
That one, the spotlight outside. So he can find us.
Terry says probably that drip pan up there.
The drip pan
Yeah.
Has to do with that air
It
conditioner.
is a drip pan. I explained what it looked like, and he said it was a drip.
It may not be a pipe.
Hey, it stopped.
It already stopped a bit ago, right there.
Drip like that.
It has something to do with that unit.
Well, we have to fix that.
Mama, we gotta wipe the floor
Oh,
some
man.
more. Mama, I'm gonna wipe.
Well, guys, I'll inform you what happens tomorrow. I don't even know if I'm going to school.
But it's
Okay,
it's
guys,
the floor
bye.
up